Hey there, WordPressers, I'm Jocelyn, and today we're diving into the exciting world of auto-playing videos that will transform your website from static to spectacular. The power of video storytelling. Imagine capturing your audience's attention the moment they land on your page. Auto-playing videos aren't just a trend, they're a strategic tool to boost interaction and dwell time on your site. Key strategies for seamless video integration. Choose your video platform wisely. We've got 4 killer options. 1. YouTube videos, a reliable and easy option for embedding videos. YouTube reduces server load by streaming directly from its platform. To enable autoplay, simply add autoplay equals 1 and mute equals 1 to the video URL in the embed code. However, some mobile browsers may restrict autoplay, requiring user interaction. Mute is important, as you cannot autoplay and have sound. Alternatively, you can have sound on, but not have autoplay enabled. YouTube is free, but comes with massive amount of privacy issues, ads, and more. 2. Vimeo videos. Known for high-quality playback and a sleek player design, Vimeo is perfect for creating a polished look. Vimeo also offers customization options like looping and hiding controls, while managing hosting externally to reduce server strain. Vimeo is expensive and only offers video hosting, not other media hosting. 3. Infinite uploads. For a powerful and seamless solution, Infinite Uploads allows you to upload videos directly from your WordPress dashboard without worrying about hosting limitations. Use the Infinite Uploads video block for embedding and customize autoplay, mute, and loop settings effortlessly. With cloud-based storage and adaptive streaming, it ensures fast, high-quality playback while optimizing bandwidth. 4. Self-hosted videos. If you prefer full control over your content, self-hosting is an option. Upload videos to your WordPress media library and use the video block to enable autoplay and mute settings. Keep in mind that self-hosting can impact site performance, so ensure your hosting plan supports sufficient bandwidth and storage. For those looking for a powerful solution, consider the Infinite Uploads plugin. Unlock seamless video management with Infinite Uploads, a game-changing WordPress plugin that transforms how you handle video content. 1. Quickly install Infinite Uploads to revolutionize your video hosting capabilities directly from the WordPress dashboard. 2. Streamlined uploads. Bypass traditional hosting limitations by uploading high-quality videos instantly, without worrying about file size or bandwidth restrictions. 3. Advanced embedding. Leverage the custom Infinite Uploads video block or shortcode for intuitive, one-click video integration that maintains professional quality and performance. 4. Smart video customization. A. Autoplay configures sophisticated autoplay settings with granular controls. B. GDPR-compliant player. Enjoy an unbranded, privacy-focused video player. C. Adaptive streaming. Benefit from HLS technology that adjusts video quality in real time based on viewers' internet connection. Pro tip: the Infinite Uploads video block and shortcode offers comprehensive customization, allowing you to fine-tune autoplay, mute, loop, and preload settings with unprecedented ease. By mastering these embedding techniques, you're not just adding videos, you're crafting an engaging, dynamic WordPress experience that'll keep your visitors coming back for more. Remember these golden rules. 1. Always mute by default. 2. Use relevant, compelling content. 3. Optimize for mobile and bandwidth. Technical magic, let's make it happen. Whether you're using YouTube's embed code, Vimeo's sharing options, or WordPress's native video block, the key is simplicity and user experience. Advanced features for engagement. Optimize with Infinite Uploads. Remember, the goal is to enhance your user's experience, not disrupt it. By carefully implementing autoplay videos, you'll create a dynamic, engaging WordPress site that captivates visitors from the moment they arrive. We'd love for you to join our growing YouTube community. Subscribe to access a wealth of tutorials and insights that will elevate your WordPress game. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Your support fuels our passion for sharing knowledge and helps us grow. Let's create something amazing together.